All right, here we are. Thursday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have the Open of Asia coming up here shortly. We just had a nice move in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Everything was just kind of moving up. Let's see here. Yeah, Bitcoin just had a nice big run there. So let's see if it holds. That's pretty sure this is monthly VWAP right there that we went to. So I might try and take a position here on Ethereum. Let's see if we can catch a nice. I'm looking short. We'll start a position right around here. Nope, that's a long. So we have VWAP and we have monthly VWAP right here on Ethereum. So I'm going to try and average in here. See if we can get a little bit of a fade. Okay. So grab that right there. I got filled at 48.5. So looking short. I don't expect too big of a move, but 34. In the money already. And I'm copy trading this, so anybody who's copy trading is getting in on this action. VWAP late night, baby. Here we are. I'm short the 48.5. I'm only going to carry this thing to 34. I mean, we're in a strong upward trend here, so I don't want to get too greedy here. Let's see if we can get a nice little retracement, at least back to 34, 36. I'll take off one at 38. That's $10. $10 move. $10. And see if I can scale out the other one at 30. I don't know. Let's see, 38, 34. I don't want to see massive buyers step in here again, though, so I might. Bitcoin's still ripping. That's tick strike, my friend. That tells us that when there's buyers and sellers. It's the best thing ever. It tells us what's going on the tape. So you don't have to see the tape. You can hear the tape. It'll match this right here on my screen with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP. All right, come on, fill me here. 38. Let's go. My prices are a little different on BTCC. than they are on. All right, come on. $37, right about to get filled here. Come on. Filled. One. See if I can get filled the other. Let's tighten up the risk on this. I'm not going to turn this into a loser now. Now, is that the back test long? Very light crowd tonight, Roadrunner. Eric? It's so weird that people can't get audio to work on their phone. So bizarre. I'm going to go to the 1 minute, see what this is looking like here. Can we get a little lower here? Just a little lower? That should have filled me. I don't know what happened there. I don't like that. So, big news today in crypto land. Breakout Prop, one of the bigger prop firms for crypto trading, active crypto trading, has been acquired or is being acquired by Kraken. That's kind of a big deal. It's a very big deal, actually. So this is a leader trade. I'm very conservative in my leader trading, because I know when I take a trade, there's 10 other people taking it with me, and I don't know if you've ever done that, but that's, it can be a little nerve-wracking. All right, get me out of this thing. Let's find the next trade. You bastard. Bitcoin looks like it could be putting in a little bit of a top here, at least temporarily. That was quite a move. So I'm out at come on. All right, let's see what else is moving. See if we can find some interesting stuff in crypto world today. In fact, it's got to be something with your Discord, bud. It works. There's a lot of people that listen, you know. I have over 100 people in here the other day. Nobody really, not many problems. There's got to be some. Oh, here we go. Flush, fill me, done. Done and dusted on that one. Right to my target, profit target, which is this low volume node. That trade is our first winner of the night. Short Ethereum, capitulation candle, VWAP, monthly VWAP, next logical target, low volume node. You know, maybe we'll get a bit of a bounce here. We'll see. But that was a winner. So I'm copy trading here on BTCC. I haven't made everybody a lot of money, but it's only been a week, conservatively. Made Michael 278 bucks since August 28th. Made Sonny 65 bucks, Sebastian 58, Jay Scott 35. Where'd you get out? Let's see if we can find anything else interesting. Let's see what's hot right now. We got everything in the Solana ecosystem is down. Everything in the Bitcoin. How is that possible? Let's take a look at everything. Pump. Party USDT. This looks like something that could be fun to short. A little bit of a capitulation there. 1982.4. This is a little delayed. Well, at least for 1 minute. It's going. It seems like it's a previous high from August 28th. $1,000 here. Oh man. I don't know. What do you think? Going higher? XLM? Which exchange? Coinbase? This is the one you're holding a bag on. No, this is futures. Hold on. Is this the one you're holding the bag on? Very tight. This is starting to move up again. Going for it. And you have to take a lot, huh? To make it meaningful. Marty. You know, it's interesting. I can't it won't let me lead trade these little meme coin ones. A small position. I picked up 7,000 short. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a fade here. I love watching these things reject. I'll give it like 50 bucks and I'll average into it until I can't anymore. I won't take a huge loser, but usually I can get out for a nice little profit. I don't know if you're getting your bag back, brother. The daily, if we break VWAP, we could be, you know, it looks like it's getting ready to just retrace this move, you know. Man, Ethereum short worked out good. Would have nailed that top. kind of did nail that top, right? We had the capitulation candle. We're bearish. We're beneath all the VWAPs, right? We came to the intraday and the weekly capitulation, rejection. So I would, this seems like a decent long spot. I'll probably take some Ethereum long here. Do you want to see it hold here? So I'm looking long. Nice pick. Grabbed it in breakout here. Picked up 10 Ethereum at 330, just below it. Now it's up 60 bucks. So I don't know. Let's see if we can take it to 40. Scalp, one scalp at a time. So how did everybody trade today? Anybody actually trading crypto, just watching? I think Roadrunner usually takes some trades with us here. Gold kind of starting to catch a little bit of bid, selling off there now though. Bitcoin? Bitcoin short, nice. Looks like NQ is drifting higher. It's above the pre-close price. See if this can break higher. Got an order at 340. We'll move up. Ah, Bob's here for the shit coins and the gold. Gold is chopping around. You could be fading the value extremes on gold. It's trading right between the bands and these two low volume nodes so far. But I would expect, maybe a long to hold here down at 94.5. It's a key level. It's held pretty much all day since London open. So it seems like a good level to go long, or you could go long here and expect at least a drift higher. That's my guess. I'm long Ethereum and short a shitcoin. Long Ethereum, short shitcoin. I'm $3 down on the shitcoin. Short. Plenty of room to add. I have a $69 position. It's kind of funny. Come on. There's a lot of BTCC traders that just use VPN. There's no know your customer on BTCC. I want to hit this thing for another 5,000 right here. Here it goes. Uh-oh, I'm down $5. And here comes. Let's go with Ethereum. Can't wait to hear your new song, Bob. The last song was great. All right, I'm going to smack this thing. Coming up on 20 cents. Okay. I think I got filled. And it went right up to my order. Hate that. Yeah. I close it. I am now 27,000 short on party. Bob, I'm short 27,000 on party. Don't worry, it goes up like down by 10 bucks. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's also 20 cents. It goes up by like thousands of a penny. I want to see somebody just dump all their shares. So I closed out that Ethereum. I took $25 profit. Came just short of my profit target. Just short of it. It was a good trade I did. I love shorting shit coins. One of my favorite things. Just like I used to love shorting small caps. Hankin. Sometimes I'll place a crypto trade before I go to bed because it moves so slowly. I can't. It's so hard to just. You can't sit there and watch it like NQ, especially if you want to try and manage your risk. And that was quite the drop. Yeah, shorts are crowded. It's all crowded in general. You got all those hyper scalpers now all over the place. All right, here we go. Keep going. So I turned this account from $100 to $1,000 in about 45 days. You get like 50x leverage, 500x leverage. Long? Yeah, it looked like a long. Still looks like a long. Well, 20 bucks. Rush it. Rush it. And Joe, are you making fun of me? Listen, I'm not a big swinger in crypto like I am in futures. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Still, still getting my feet with crypto in a lot of ways. Yu Hikinashi. So this is like a $270 position. So I'm up 7.5% on my 270 bucks. Where else can you do that? Where can you make 7.5%? You're not using crazy leverage. Oh shit, there you go, Bob. Gold's going. Told you it felt like a long, right? We held this level for like the billionth time. And now she's going. Oh. What's interesting is like this seems like it's got some serious liquidity to it. Like you don't see this type of liquidity in small caps. There's hundreds of thousands of people on the bid and offer on this thing. It's thick. Oh, there we go. Ha ha. And filled. There was the flush. All right. I don't know. That's like 70 bucks for 30 minutes. Not bad. 2 trades. Short Ethereum. Long Ethereum. Short party shitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Glad I got out of that Ethereum when I did, right? I closed it right there. I was long. Long here. Nailed the bottom on this. My profit target was here. Didn't hit. We got to about right here and I closed it. Yeah, we always wish we had size in when it gets going, right? It's tough to be positioned with size before the big move, and then you're just chasing, right? And if you got leverage on, it's easy to get destroyed. So it's, Hey, Ramiro. So I'm trading on BTCC. I really like it. I'm also trading Breakout Prop, it's a crypto prop firm. I'm not thrilled with their platform, but they're a great prop firm. But this might change because Breakout was just acquired by Kraken. Look at that. Bleeding. So Kraken now owns NinjaTrader, now owns Breakout Prop. So maybe we'll be able to use NinjaTrader for Breakout Prop. That would be pretty damn cool. If that happens, I think a lot more people will come over to crypto prop trading. But until then, and then I'm a copy trader on BTCC. I just shorted this shit coin. I was up here at like 20, grabbed like 40 bucks. So I made $51 and it cost me $1.33 in fees. Pretty nice. 27,000 party short. Well, that's the brokerage. You might be able to use NinjaTrader, the platform for crypto. Then what else did I have? I had this Ethereum. This one made 13.50. So 60, almost 70 bucks, $65. But very low fees. So did this one last night. So either way, so I'm a follow. I'm a copy trader. You can actually follow trades. Go to Drysdale. So this is my performance so far, 38%, $225. I just started. 58% win rate. Copy trader P&L, 480 bucks. I got 11 people following me. And then you can see how much people have actually made. So I made Michael 278 bucks already. That's the cost of entry right there. I just paid his membership in the community for 5 months by trading for him. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm not telling you what to do, but you know, a couple of the guys are coming over. We got this is Zalos, this is Sonny, this is Kaufman, this is Jay Scott. I'm not quite sure. This is LJ Biz. This guy I think set a stop that was too tight. You can set a stop loss, and I think he set it way too tight. I'm putting like in a $25 stop loss and got stopped out. You can actually set your own stop loss. So I know Sebastian Zalos, he put in 500 bucks and he put in a $150 stop loss. So if I have a trade that goes over $150 loss, he'll close it even though I might not close it. It's cool, man. Really cool. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. All right. Let's see what's next. We got another 15 minutes at least. We'll see what happens on look at gold, man. Oh, that's NQ. Never mind. NQ's drifting higher. Gold's going right with it, man. So this is approaching a key resistance area. See if it keeps going. Dang, look at that drop in Bitcoin. $1,000. You caught that short right at the beginning of the stream. I caught it on Ethereum. I was short right here. I had good positioning. It was VWAP, intraday VWAP. I don't like I don't like longs here. I mean, I could see why, if we start trading above this low volume node, I'm not a fan. I see more downside, but I don't like to short here, because you would need to give it a lot of risk. So I don't really see many trades anymore. We'll see what happens with gold as we get up to 600, 610, I mean. If we get there. You still holding your longs, Bob? Nice. Yes, correct, Ramiro. I'm using TradingView for my toolkit and my other charts. So this is my toolkit on the lower time frame with a lot of my higher time frame levels marked out, and then this is going to be my new long-term chart. This is going to be weekly VWAP. I can easily see everything. Yeah, still looks weak, man. But I can't short here. You can short gold though, as we come up to 610. No, I don't know if I want to short gold. That thing could murder you. Shorting gold, all not that far from all-time highs, right? All-time highs is 38. So we're $30 away. All-time highs, this thing could easily gun for all-time highs from here. Easily. Kind of put in a lower, put in a lower, higher low, higher low, higher low. This could be an intermediate part of this higher low. And gun to take out those highs. Tonight, even. We are at the IB high. I think on BTCC, I think you can trade like tokenized stocks too. So like they have Google, for example, and it tracks Google's stock price, but it's a crypto coin. Did kind of sell off there from the IB high. We're off $2 from it already. 20 ticks. That was a good short spot. Gold loves the initial balance levels. Loves them. Loves. So I have Google. You can trade Google on here. They have Tesla. Let's see how it compares. Tesla's at what? $339.10. 34. $338.50. 4 o'clock. Let's do 5 minute. Let's do a 5 minute here. Yeah, no, it's way different. Well, actually, no, it's not. It's actually doing much different than after hours, but the regular session hours are quite similar, actually. See it? So this is actual Tesla. And this is the coin Tesla. Looks pretty damn close. See that? Now the after hours are completely different. It does not track after hours, but during the session, it is very similar. So like this would be the cutoff right here. Does this thing stop? Yeah, just trying to figure it out. Actually, this thing's not trading. I guess it only trades during market hours. That's interesting. It's not moving. Very interesting. All right, guys, we'll see what happens at the 8 o'clock open here. Oh, gold right back up. IB high. Ethereum continues to tank. Bitcoin, VWAP. I think that will be it for me tonight, though. This does look like a good place to long. I'll try another long here in Ethereum. Because this would be a fade value or extreme on both the lower band, the intraday lower band, and the weekly lower band, which is also the monthly lower band. So let's see if we can catch a little bid here and take this for a little ride back up to 315. So it'll look something like this. Hold on, I'm in at 300. I'm long in my breakout prop account. I have 20 Ethereum long. See my P&L right here. Right here. Seems frozen. All right. I'll maybe we put an entry in here at 305. Oh man. I'll make this one 310. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. Or the Japan tank shot. Japan wants that gold. Well, that didn't go well. Might add down here, actually. Still like the position. Just got in a little early. All right, I picked up some more. I am now long 40 Ethereum. That's a $35,000 position. Now we're swinging some crypto balls. Good. We had a couple good trades. Looking for a long here in Ethereum. Caught this short up here. Covered it down here. Then we shorted some shit coin. That went well. That was in the cash account. That's it. Here we are. Been straight down since that capitulation at 7 p.m. So we'll see what happens in the next 2 minutes here. We got the Japanese open. See if this thing can catch a bid down here at lower band and of the day and the week and this low volume node. So we do have some nice confluence stacking up here. Just trying to be patient. My average price is now 96. It's down here. 98. All right. Do something. It's 9 o'clock. Here goes. Come on, keep going. $200. Let's go. We'll close these. See if this one can run. Got to break above this level if we're going to squeeze. This will change the structure right here. Oh, man. I don't know what happened there, but my BTCC is actually leading TradingView. There you go. So I'm at 95. I got 20 Ethereum at 95. We got to break above this 302. Well, the Asia Open did not bring me what I want. Gold is going berserk. Anybody long gold? Because that was the trade, aside from Bob. Bob took it. I was all in gold, man. Good job. Good trade. Good trade. Well done, sir. I think I'm going to close my Ethereum. I would like to get one more pop out of it, close it, and call it a stream. So here we go. Hopefully it gives it to me right here. One more good pop, and I'm outie. Here it goes. Come on. 150. It's rejecting at that level. So that's it for me. All right, guys. Took my profits on that one. Nothing crazy. 150 bucks or whatever. Made about 70 bucks in cash. Nothing huge. But did it for my copy trading account. All right. Oh, now it's back up, of course. You got to be patient. You got to be so patient with these trades. All right, guys. We'll be back at it tomorrow on the futures trading, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the premium Discord members. We'll be going live 10 a.m. with a delayed YouTube stream. Hope to see you guys there. Cash Preservation Friday. Hope you guys have a nice week, a nice weekend. See if we can get a crypto stream going this weekend. That'll be fun too. If you're going to continue trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. And I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. And I'll catch you guys in the morning. Thanks for joining me tonight. Have a wonderful night.